I can basically control this also from my phone, which I absolutely love. I think this is like my favorite part about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I'm a product designer based in Lagos, Nigeria, who also loves to create and experiment. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how I set up my LED light. I got LED light from Aliexpress in this video right here. In my last video, I did a lot of unboxing and this LED light was included in that package. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box below or in the card above so you can check it out. So let's just get right into the video. So first things first, I'm just going to do some quick clearing. So the next thing, the LED lights came with different accessories. Came with a connector, a remote, but the remote did not come with a battery, so I had to get a battery. I got a battery from Watch Sellers and it is a C3203 battery. Also, in connecting the LED lights to the connector, you will see the different wires. It shows you how to connect it. You connect blue to blue and connect black to black. Make sure you're connecting it correctly. The next thing you would notice is that the LED light also comes with an adhesive, so you're going to be pulling the blue peeling in order to get through to the adhesive. Also, the LED light I ordered is a waterproof LED light, so I can basically touch the light, which I think is really good. So my socket is at that side of the table and I'm going to be attaching the LED light from that side of the table to the other side, and this is what my table looks like all cleared up. So I'm just removing the blue peeling at the back and attaching the LED light to the table. And now let's test. So this is the remote and I'm going to be doing a quick test. Guys, this is so cool to watch. Like, it's so cool to watch. Let me know what you think about it. Also, it also comes with like an app function, so I'm just going to be taking a picture of the barcode so that it leads me directly to the app. So I'm just going to download the app from App Store and I'm going to make sure that my Bluetooth is connected, and this is what it looks like, guys. So I can basically control this also from my phone, which I absolutely love. I think this is like my favorite part about it. So up next, I'm also going to be attaching my neon sign to the wall. So I also got these hooks. They're wall hooks so that I don't have to use nails. So I'm just trying to find a perfect fit for it. So I'm just going to use this to make sure that it's really straight while fitting the sign on the wall. And this is what it looks like after fitting the sign on the wall and ensuring that the wall hook is properly placed on the wall. So test again. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Test 2, the sign plus LED lights. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. What did you think about this setup? Are you loving it? Are you liking it? Is this not for you? Let me know in the comment section. I'm super excited about setting up the rest of my office, so do stick around. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.